I apologize if this is way too loud. It's pouring down outside. I'm back in the greenhouse. We're gonna do a door handle repair. The door handle is cracked and it just comes off. So we're gonna try to replace this piece of wood. This is just yeah, it's rusted shut, but I should be able to use a pair of pliers and screw this off. So I'm gonna use this as a template. I don't have a lathe, but I think I can make do with my belt sander and probably my trusty DeWalt drill. So yeah, let's see if I can remake this part and replace it. Let's go build a door handle. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let's see if I can make it out of the greenhouse without getting rain on the camera. Umbrella activates. I mean, I've been complaining about the sun for several weeks now. You get one day of rain and I mean, that's enough. I want the sun back. But I guess it's good for the grass, good for plants and all that. Okay, so please don't mind the mess. I mean, I had this sorted a couple of weeks ago, but you know, stuff happens, and I don't really want to do that today, so I'm just gonna do a very quick cleanup, like so. These are the pieces from the door handle, so I'm just gonna try to match this inner diameter. This could actually work. Yep, that's good. We need a piece of wood. Found this old dry piece of birch. I think it's gonna do the trick just fine. Quick cleanup. There we go. Let's go ahead and mark the center so I know where to drill. There we go. I didn't, but I can probably guess. So we got a center. Now we just need to shape it down a bit. Good enough. Okay, it's a bit dusty in here now, or it's very dusty. So I got the basic shape done. As I said, I don't have a lathe. Lathe, wood spinny thingy. Yeah, so I got the length about right, I think, and now I just need to make the final shape of the handle. So I'm gonna use my shut up! I'm gonna use my my drill. Okay, I'm gonna try to drench this handle in linseed oil, since the humidity in the greenhouse is gonna ruin the wood otherwise. So I'm just making a gonna do a makeshift container here. This is a great way to cut your hands, by the way. Perfect. That's pretty nice, don't you think? I mean, I love how you can turn a piece of firewood into something useful. I mean, of course, firewood is useful, but you know what I mean. Okay, let's see if it fits. I'm gonna bring a pair of pliers. Could probably bring the Dremel with the wire brush. Does anybody know why the Dremel smells like fabric softener? Because it really does. Every time I open this case, it smells like fabric softener. There we go. Boom. Like a glove. There we go. And yes, I know it doesn't really match the old one. The old one was old and grimy and it had some sort of dark varnish. But I mean, I wanted to use the linseed oil. First of all, it's natural. But second of all, you could go ahead and get some dark coloring on this as well at some point. If you want to see something else I did that you're probably gonna like, go ahead and click right here. And if you want to see all the videos or subscribe, just go ahead and click on there. So yeah, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.